Welcome, it's me Jimmy. Check out the links in the description box below. I'm really very hungry, but I say I will knock a few videos and then I will go to Philippine jalebi because I love Philippine food. I love jalebi. But let me answer the question before I'm gonna have some breakfast. Can ChatGPT can you use ChatGPT for writing blog article? I think I answered similar question already. If not, don't use ChatGPT to write an article. Use ChatGPT or any another AI based software which I'm using for last 2 and 3 years, but only for mock-up. Because a lot of time we have a writer block. Just use for mock-up. If you are going to do a real article such as like 20 best hotel in Bali. Bali is an island in Indonesia. It's a Hindu majority island. Okay, it's a tourist island. 20 best hotel in Bali with a private swimming pool. If you ask ChatGPT to write this article, it will write very nicely, but it will give you the wrong information. Private swimming pool, I mean private, where I can get naked and have a swim, have a dive in the pool, and no one can see me. The problem with that is a lot of swimming pools are not private, they are shared within the hotel, so every other people can see you. So to write this article, I have to do some call, like I need to sometimes email or call the resort hotel. I did like is your hotel have a private swimming pool? Private mean I can become naked totally. If someone say yes, you can be totally naked, then it means it's private. When they say no, we have a privacy that you have to wear something, then it's not private. And I enter this data in my Airtable, and my Airtable course is also coming soon. So yeah, so ChatGPT can never give you the accurate information, 100% accurate. And second is that why? Just use a mock-up. I know a lot of idiots using ChatGPT to write article and then using Quillbot to rephrase or paraphrase again. But still there are tools which can deduct this article is written by the AI. Don't do blogging to make money. Do blogging for your passion. If you are a writer, then do blogging. I spent 3 years in increasing my grammar, my vocabulary, my writing skill. I spent so much time, effort. I even took a lesson from pre-pro how to become a writer, and I finished my travel journalist diploma, and I'm issued the travel journalist license for next 3 years, so I can work with some travel publication. I already wrote like a small column for a Papua New Guinea based magazine. Different story, I will tell you another. Again, I'm not perfect. A Jimmy geek like me can become a travel writer, then you can too. But you have to work. Don't be lazy. Use ChatGPT for mock-up. Just mock-up. That's all. And do your own research, do your own vocabulary, do your own grammar. Put your own thoughts. Oh, I'm gonna use ChatGPT to earn money because I watched an idiot on YouTube telling me you can make a lot of money with ChatGPT. If someone is making money with ChatGPT, he or she will not tell. If I make money with ChatGPT, I will not tell you. I'm selfish. I will not tell you. Use your brain. If you have any conversation, use that. If a person is making money, he or she won't tell you because you're too busy in making money. Make sure to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye. You can check out my channel MBA Market Business Africa, where I talk about my African business journey and give you tips and tricks on how to start a business in East and West Africa. And also check out my travel channel Outing Journal, where I love to travel with my wife around the world. My wife is diagnosed with the retinal pigmentosa, so she is like now 75% technically blind, but still we are not giving our hope. As you can see, my wife is half blind. You can check out this video. Also make sure to check out my Spider-Man review. This is Outing Journal. Also check out my online travel magazine Outing Journal, where I love to write about travel article, travel story, for example such as this one. I love travel writing. I want to become one of the best travel writer out there. And I'm also teaching on Skillshare. Please check out Skillshare. I'm giving you a 1 month free trial. Here's my course on Skillshare. More courses are
upcoming on Skillshare. I'm teaching on Skillshare. And also check out my courses on Udemy. Yes, my courses on Udemy, I have around 4 courses, over 20,000 students. Most of my courses are going quite well. Make sure to support me on Skillshare and Udemy. That's all. Keep going on. Never stop learning. Learn until you die.